Dean, can you believe you're through to the quarter-finals of the Welsh Cup?
No, honestly, can't believe it. But I think we thoroughly deserved it over the 90 minutes. Started really well today, first half. We know they're a good team, we know their capabilities, but we planned well and we managed to execute that more so first half. Conditions played their way a little bit in the second half, but honestly, for the lads, absolutely delighted. Something they deserve. We said to them before the game, after beating Barry, you use those experiences and the experience of playing against them last year, and maybe the conditions playing their part. We just felt like it was a second opportunity to show them what we're actually capable of, and just obviously delighted with the performance, really.
It was quite an even game throughout, I think. Obviously second half they started to pile the pressure on, but we were resilient throughout the game, and we had some good chances, but at the end of the day we took one, and that's what matters.
It was looking like it was going to penalties, but that moment came for you. What a goal.
Yeah, thank you. It was, my leg for finish at that point. I was just trying to run as fast as I could. It wasn't very fast at all, but then I just thought I may as well hit it, and luckily just dribbled in, posting in. So yeah, it was amazing.
And what was the atmosphere like in the dressing room?
Oh yeah, as soon as I walked in, the songs were already on. No one talking to each other, everyone was just up and down dancing. It was class.
A very young team, but they competed well against a very good Bala side.
Yeah, look, it's a group we've had together and we've only sort of added to over the last couple of years. We're working on a certain style of play. We're building the right environment. We're trying to develop players. Obviously, we haven't got the budgets of your Bala and people like that, so it's important that we're working on individual players and sort of bringing them in under one umbrella. So, yeah.
Who do you fancy in the next round?
TNS away would be a good one, I think, a good day out. So yeah, that's what I'm hoping for.